Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today I am in Mandeville, Manchester. We all know Jamaica. We have some safe city in Jamaica. Like we have Negril, ENQUIRIES, Port Antonio, Portmore, Mandeville, Runaway Bay, Treasure Beach, Lucy. But today I am in the beautiful parish of Manchester. So sit down and take a tour of a beautiful, safe community in our island, Mandeville, Manchester, Jamaica. Jamaica is a beautiful island country that's very attractive to tourists, known for its beaches, coral garden, and overall natural beauty. Jamaica, the third largest island in the Caribbean. However, there are cities you should consider if you want to be safe in Jamaica. Negril, located on the western tip of Jamaica in Negril City. Negril is one of Jamaica's safest cities and a top choice to live in. The city has sandy beaches and beautiful lagoons, which are tourist attractions. Negril is a safe city. ENQUIRIES, like Negril, crime rates are relatively low in ENQUIRIES. There have been rare cases of people being violently attacked in ENQUIRIES. Port Antonio, this town is safe for living in it. Be in a residential or visitor, Port Antonio should be the perfect destination for people concerning about their safety. Minor petty thief crime may occur occasionally, by physical harm is unheard of at Port Antonio. Portmore is a city that sits in the southern part of Jamaica. This city is well developed due to its population. Whenever you visit Portmore on a tourist basis or there for business, you are unlikely to encounter violence, crime, as much as pickpocket or wear, keeping your valuables safely, especially in public. Portmore taxis are licensed to ensure one gets to their destination safely. Mandeville is considered a safe city to live in. In recent years, the rate of violence crime in Mandeville have fallen. It is very safe to walk around in Mandeville as the danger of being attacked is very low. Therefore, visitors can always feel safe throughout their stay. Gender-based attacks in the city are close to zero. Women can travel alone based on their opinion and report of tourists. Mandeville is a safe city for everyone. Runaway Bay. According to TripAdvisor, Runaway Bay is among the safest cities in Jamaica. This beautiful city is located 16 kilometers west of ENQUIRIES and has beaches and hotel resort complexes. Everyone should feel free, safe in Runaway Bay. Runaway Bay gives such a safe, friendly, and gorgeous atmosphere that favors tourists. Locals in this city have mastered the art of putting safety first. Hence, the crime rate are minimal. Treasure Beach. Many people travel to have fun and familiarize themselves with new parts of the world. On top of all that, safety is priority when traveling. Treasure Beach is one of safe cities in Jamaica. The locals in this city are mostly fishermen and farmers. This city is very peaceful and you can enjoy your time without worrying about violence, property, crime. Due to local occupation, Nightclubs are not standard in this city. You can safely walk around in the evening. It was always advisable to keep your valuables safe while you are in crowd area.